Today we will be discussing about the general arrangement of the code, American Concrete Institute Building Code Requirements for Structural Concrete ACI 318 19th edition. The code has been completely rearranged as compared to the previous version of the code. The code is divided into 10 parts with 27 chapters. Part number 1, General, has 4 chapters. Chapter number 1 of the code is General chapter, defining the applicability of the code, methods of interpretation of the code, the role of the building official and design professional, construction documents and design records, testing, inspections and approval of the special system. The design professional, usually called the engineer of record, is ultimately responsible for structure safety. Chapter number 2 of the code deals with the notation and terminology of the code, and chapter number 3 of the code includes the other standards, such as ASTM standards that are used in the preparation of the code. The reader is advised to read these chapters carefully because the code depends upon these chapters, as they should not be taken lightly. Chapter number 4 of the code discusses the materials, structural systems and load path, seismic force resisting system, strength, serviceability and durability, sustainability, structural integrity, fire resistance, a building code requirement in accordance with the code adopted by the local jurisdiction, that is, International Building Code or the country code which we are following. Requirements for precast concrete systems, pre-stressed concrete systems, composite concrete flexural members, composite steel and concrete construction and structural plain concrete systems.